Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on the athomedive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey and today we're in the kitchen making something fantastic. We all love donuts and we all know the fresher the donut the better. There's absolutely no way to get a fresher donut than to make it yourself. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. So to make our applesauce donuts here on the counter today, we have a pretty simple list of ingredients. And we're going to start with 1 1/3 cup of AP flour. We have 1 tablespoon of vegetable shortening, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. We have 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup of applesauce here. If you haven't had the chance to see us making our own homemade applesauce, click the link in the top right hand corner now. And we also have 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon here. And I did set out some circle cutters just because we happen to have these around, but you can always use the top of a glass and the top of a Coke bottle or something about those two sides to cut out the donuts themselves. So let's get started. So to get started today, I'm going to go ahead and put about 1/3 cup or about 20% of our flour into a medium-sized bowl. And I'm going to go ahead and add the applesauce. Then I'm going to add in the salt, cinnamon, vegetable shortening, and the baking powder, the sugar, and the egg. Now I'm going to beat this on low until it's well incorporated. Now that everything's started to come together pretty nicely in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and turn it up to about a medium-high speed, and we're going to beat it for 2 minutes. Now that everything's nice and smooth, we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the flour to the mixture. We're going to fold it in with a spatula. Now that all the flour is worked into the dough, we're going to go ahead and cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. We are back and we're going to flour the counter down pretty well. Take our donut dough and we're just going to roll it out onto the counter. It is still a little sticky. And that's fine, because once we roll it in the flour to get it nice and coated, it's not going to be quite as sticky. So now that we're here, we've got the dough that we can work with, and we're just going to take a little bit of flour, and we're going to roll it out to about 3/8 of an inch. And over here, we just have a little bowl of flour, and we have our circle cutters in it, so that we make sure that they don't stick to the dough. And we're just going to go around, and we're going to cut our circles out. Once we've cut our donuts out, we're going to go back through and cut the holes out of the center. There we have it, our friends. That's our basic donut. So we're going to be gently placing the donuts into the 350-degree oil, being sure not to splash the oil upon ourselves because that hurts. And then we're going to let them cook for about 30 seconds and flip them and cook them again until they're golden brown, and then be removing them from the oil and toss them in the cinnamon sugar. There we have it, friends. That's our first 2 donuts. Alright friends, well that wraps us up on how to make applesauce donuts. Comment below and let me know how yours turn out. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe. Have a great day.